severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:54 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Dundee, or near Elgin, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
16250.
Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Streamwood, Hanover Park.
At 6:54 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Dundee, or near Elgin, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, and Elk Grove Village. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 77. Interstate 94 between mile markers 8 and 40. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 294 between mile markers 8 and 40. This includes Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.